Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Welcome to the KPS online lectures again. Students, today we are going to have our lecture number 8, and in this lecture we will discuss the active and passive of imperative and optative sentences. As we have completed our tenses which can be changed into passive, so now we will discuss imperative and optative sentences. First of all, we are to see what is imperative sentence. Student, in imperative sentence, there is an order, there can be an advice, request, etc. Imperative sentence always starts with main verb, as we can see in the example, open the door. It is always started with main verb and there is no subject in the sentence. Subject is never used. If we are to be asked what can be the subject in imperative sentence, we can suppose it, and you will be the subject because we are addressing to the person who is in front of us, means you. Second person would be its subject, but it is supposed. Actually, there is no subject in the sentence. First of all, we have open the door. This sentence would be started from let in the passive. Let the door be opened. When we will change the imperative sentence into passive, we will say let the door be opened. Then we have negative sentence in imperative sentences. Do not open the door. Now students, we can make it passive in two ways. First of all, there is let, then the object, that is the door. Then we have not be opened. Then after that we can also make it as let not the door be opened, means both of the sentences are correct. Do not open the door, let the door not be opened. Then we have optative sentences. Optative sentences are in which we say, यानी हम किसी को दुआ देते हैं या बद्दुआ देते हैं या हम किसी ख्वाहिश का इजहार करते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, मे यू फाइंड योर लॉस्ट मनी. इन दिस सेंटेंस देयर इज़ द एलिमेंट ऑफ विशिंग समथिंग, यानी हम किसी के लिए अच्छी ख्वाहिश कर रहे हैं. मे यू फाइंड योर लॉस्ट मनी. Now students, may would be at the first. Now the object is your lost money. May your lost money be found by you. Found is the third form of find, so we are to use third form. May your lost money be found by you. Then we have negative sentence. May he not win the match. In this sentence, we are wishing something that is not so good. May he not win the match. Now we will use may in the start in this sentence. May the match not be won by him. May he not win the match. May the match not be won by him. We can also have some other sentences as may you help the poor, may he help the poor, may the poor be helped by him, may I help the poor, may the poor be helped by me. Students, we can have simple sentence and negative sentence in imperative and optative sentence. In imperative sentence, we can have also other sentences as shut the door, let the door be shut. Help the poor, let the poor be helped. Do not make a noise, let the noise not be made. Mend your shoes. Then we can have write a letter, let a letter be written. We can have many sentences in optative and imperative sentence, but one thing that is most important is that uh, intransitive verbs cannot be changed into passive. For example, if we have a sentence, may you may you stand steadfast. Now stand is imperative verb, so it cannot be changed into the passive. The only the verbs that are having object with them can be made passive. So students, in each and every tense, either it is having a verb, it is having a subject, it is not having a subject, we can make passive only when we are having transitive verb. If we do not have transitive verb, it will not be changed into passive, as the verbs like sit, stand, go, come, laugh, smile, weep, all are the intransitive verbs and they cannot be changed into passives. So this is the most important element that you are to be remembered, that intransitive verb cannot be made passives. यानी intransitive ऐसे verb जिनका कोई object नहीं होता. अगर for example we are sitting in the room, हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि इन द रूम ऑब्जेक्ट है, या वी आर गोइंग टू स्कूल, स्कूल ऑब्जेक्ट है. ये एडवर्ब है और एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस है, यानी इनमें ऑब्जेक्ट के बगैर ही ये अपना पूरा मीनिंग दे सकते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वाज आवर लेक्चर फॉर टुडे. You will practice both of the types of the sentences and make passives of them. So students, thank you so much.